They say that Nigeria police don't buy one young man because of 500 naira bribe. Now so they take carry this young man go another world. Things are happening for inside Aba. Now this one they happen. As we dey talk that one, oh, they say that the Hausa Fulani boy we carry in cow enter one man farm. They say the man, the Hausa guy puri kill. As we dey talk now, if we see how the guy they talk like say one oga dey for on top, give am power, say making the talk put for the matter. You know they even allow people where they themselves talk one self. You know tell them say make they calm down, say cow na animal. Things are happening. But people, I will allow you, may you go watch the video. So but before we enter there, remember say you still there for news info. Make sure say you share this video and subscribe to this channel so that other people will they know what's in they happen. So my people, I'm going to play you this video. May you hear am as the brother of this young man wey these police people buy for road. The guy no do anything, no say he carry in particulars everything complain. Now they say make they give am 500. Now the guy say no, just like that. To now and just come by the guy. So I'm going to play the video before we come back and continue.
Hi. So maybe I just say that yes, they also have a lot. Potana buy ebe junior girls secondary school about the police now. So the police stop oya na moto. Ya puta. Hajo ya license ya. Ya with the license ye. Hajo ya particulars of the vehicle. Ya with the particulars ye ha. One may verify. May have verify. They return the documents to him now. Sise ya ka onye hego. So the boy has said no. Kayem genuino ego we go balamji. We go mjim genuino. The man, the policeman say no, ogenye ha ego, but they did not tell me the amount I may request. So while they were arguing on that, the second policeman just rushed and shot him, just like that, inside the vehicle. 2-3 bullets. I saw it.
Are you saying Emmanuel?
Emmanuel Nwoke Okocha.
Son of Noko?
Yes. First son of Noko.
Are you saying he's dead?
He's dead.
For committing which offense?
As I'm just explaining. For doing nothing, they asked him of his driving license. He showed them the license. They demand the particulars. Because he was here. One may verify. They returned it to him. Later demanded money from him. Yes, you know. We go and the offense him committed now. They argued. The other policeman just came across from the other side of the road and shot him twice or thrice because I'm here, here.
Any opposition on that, brother, at this situation?
Okay, yeah, I was meeting this morning. Before then, yesterday, I had a call from Commissioner of Police, DPO, and Area Command. They were calling me. So already on that Wednesday, when this incident happened, they came. All of them that they came and saw the situation. Even all one ray foot to the bill, they only can save the young man. But unfortunately, yeah, so now they assure us that the policemen they have been rounded up. The other group, the group, some of normal cell are by here. So our position this morning, Bodare, everybody that way in him. So I've been with tension. That same morning, the police commissioner was calling. Who said the Kwande police have their bit. I seen the police know your presence here. We may provoke. Unula, but I'm sure that we are not coming for violence. But the only thing that everybody choice Bible order too much about Butaland every about here. And this one, everybody here soya. Can for the root cause and your bro stop to it because onya onwola onwe anything I get me yo believe but I na kwacho Elijah stop on the police. This SARS what they call and they have started what they have been doing that caused problem last time. Sancho and the government no line where they are going out to the root of the matter. and work by the condition and in the police because they had a made them terrorize Ibodu. Okay, could you imagine that this morning by kind of meeting here, the police here, they rounded the premises now they are for security. I have to call Mpo Commissioner. Why are these people here? This will create another problem. Yeah, one union officer. Yes, the commission, the commander, no there. I no melu was one orale. But he called the commander. So yes, that they should.
Okay, my people, welcome back. As you have watched that video here, have this our brother where this thing happened to his own brother. They talk how it did it happen. I don't know why be say the people were supposed protect the life and property. Now they can't they take the property. No be juju be that. However, let me still bring you this video. May you see how Funani boy tell the third person where he spoil thing. Say cow na animal, whether in go tie the animal. But why they go leave north carry cow they comes for inside southeast, they destroy people farm. Watch the video before we come back and continue.
Not be the first one, not be the second one, not be the third one. It's been coming, destroying all these things, and we have been crying. So I don't know why you should ask him to live here and be destroyed. No, come on,
Go that side.
No, I know they go. I go picture me. I don't tip. I don't do what.
You spoil somebody something. You spoil somebody.
What if you suppose somebody something to picture me?
Mala, come on, come here, they picture me and you.
Madam, come hear what I'm saying. Come,
we know the beach person, we know the...
That is why we not do, they do, and I don't know that one again.
No.
I don't know that. Even in our farm, in a true in our farm, we do the thing like that. I know it for you.
No,
and
we don't say you. We don't say you tip. As they picture you.
They picture me now. I don't deny you.
The reason why we dey picture you, we say once you tell us say they no go come again, we go take and say they no go come again.
exactly.
But no make the thing where you go make you to make
Don't face.
Sani, Anna internet again. Anani.
So see, I'm
Hey, leave
am.
our own one.
That's how we go leave our cow.
Our own one. Where the other one? Okay, leave am. Now this one I do. Mala, take am easy. We too with the vessel.
This is why they picture me.
We dey picture you because now you bring the cow here. Where the people's farm.
exactly.
So as
You don't have this. This is where this thing they do. You don't have.
I'm not happy.
Why
So
they don't picture you?
I
Why they don't picture you?
Why
They don't picture you.
So that picture that because of that.
Mala, what you dey talk about this
Okay,
thing?
what you
destroy?
want?
Okay.
Yes.
Now him they ask me. Now him they ask me about this. But that picture, why that picture me and
You dey picture me too.
if you picture na brother and
The picture
No,
all of
we go
them.
picture you.
We dey
go carry me go on that side again.
picture all of them.
Huh?
Go carry me go on that side.
No, we don't carry you go on other side. No. Once you talk with you, where you
My
go
man,
something, where
I
you
beg, make una listen to me.
Okay.
I know say you no get cow. Yeah?
Me, I get cow.
You no get cow. One, this cow why enter farm na our own.
Okay.
One, these people, all of una here na mature person.
Okay.
You no call me because una fight me. I do not call me. Because
No, now you can't do like say you want fight now.
Even your brother wey dey here, they never beat am.
We no touch am. We call you.
okay, wait. That picture why they picture me I no understand.
No, we go picture. We go picture Mala.
Take our punishment
The
again.
picture is to just have a
Meeting.
coverage that we meet with you, discuss with you,
So that we are going to have
Say you no go bring this cow come this place
because
again.
what we want to determine how you settle
We
with
say
this.
Say Mala.
you no go bring this
Mala.
cow come this place
Like
again.
I tell you.
That be this
Wait,
picture.
My
if
man,
I
wait.
want,
Wait,
if I want,
yellow, wait. This is what I want for you now. Make una leave that, make una talk about the farm. No be cow farm shop, cow shop farm. Yes. Okay, now cow shop farm.
okay, you don't see am. What you go do now? You don't see the elderly
I
man.
don't see. This
Show the elderly man again.
Magan damages. Magan damages for what we have. Make a
Yeah, maybe she. Video. So, Mala, what you go do now?
Say about
Mala, talk. We will know the fight. Once you settle this man, we leave you, but you don't go come here again.
No, come here.
Exactly.
I know they come for the farm, you know they come this bush.
But this bush and this farm.
You no go come this river again. This river, you no go come.
I know the shop.
No, no talk that one.
I know the shop.
No talk that one.
I know the shop.
Okay, you no go come this river
Wait.
again. They talk
This,
you know the
this,
chop.
this cow.
I know they use money to buy the cow.
Because of the enter and that's why you know they do. And that farm, na mistake. If you know be mistake, they know the entire farm.
We don't need cow here again.
Why now, Oga?
In the sponsor. Madam, this one is not the water.
We no need farm. That's how we are.
Foul.
Why you not know it?
The reason why we know that we use to spoil our all the whole of our crops and the farm.
If you know spoil, if you know spoil farm.
Mala, just talk with you where you go.
Oga, I beg. Oga, I beg. I don't beg you.
They talk the thing
We
when
may
you
give you
come.
weapon. What you
Thank
weapon?
you.
Mala,
Thank you.
talk. You might go get caught too because all the food people are gathered loads.
Listen to me, this is why they say